Hey yo guys, what's up? And Earl here again. Today mag-unbox tayo ng something na pinadala sa atin, and it is related to something I'm very fond of, which is dinosaurs. So, eto yung pinadala nila sa atin. This is from Rich Prime. This is a Jurassic World Primal Hatch kit. And as you can see here, ito yung ano nila. Oh, ayan. Here we go. Pinadala nila tayo dito and we're gonna unbox it. Excited ako dito kasi it's cute. Nakakita na ako sa TikTok ng mga unboxing na to, and sobrang gusto ko rin siya, my experience. And good thing is, kung dinosaur fans ka and it's holiday season, it's about time na bumili na kayo nito. Kumuha na kayo, visit the Richwell site, the Richwell website, and check out on Shopee and on Lazada to get the best products for dinosaurs and Jurassic World items on the market today. And eto na nga, I'm gonna show you yung box. Ito yung laman niya. Ito yung harap. Ayan yung kita nyo. Very personalized pa. Ganda pa ng lagayan ng may pangalan pa. Yan. And then, on the side, ganda. Ganda. Ayan. There we go. This is it. Okay, so this is, ayun nga, the T-Rex na Primal Hatch figure. Ayan. Ganda niya. Ang cool niya. So, ito yung side. And then, ito yung harap. Kabilang side, which also shows another picture ng dinosaur. Ayan. And then yung likod, all the details is here. Ayan. Ayan o. Okay, pause nyo na lang para makita nyo yung Pause nyo na lang. Okay. So, buksan na natin to. So, ito yung mga kasama niyan. May egg, may T-Rex na figure, may instruction manual, may clicker, may meat, and then meron tayong additional manual na included. So, ito na nga, buksan na natin siya. And bubuksan niya siya at the bottom. Meron ditong part here na nakalagay na open here. And just remove the tapes. Cut nyo na lang. And then, ito ang makikita nyo pagbukas nyo ng box. So, ito yung instruction manual, medyo madami siya. Scan nyo na lang yung QR code, and ito yung instruction kung paano nyo bubuksan yung egg. Nandito din yung actual na instructions on how to use the how to open the egg. So ito naman, very clear naman yung instructions dito, so mas madali nyo magagawa, madali nyo mabubuksan. Tapos ito yung instruction manual kung paano kayo mag-i-interact dun sa dinosaur figure, sa T-Rex figure. So there's a couple of instructions here. Click to command, and then it's also showing you yung different eye colors for each emotion na binibigay ng T-Rex. And then also here how we can play. You can pull the tail, although I don't want to do that. That's a little bit cruel, pero ito na, buksan na natin siya. So ayun, paglabas niya ng box, ito na yung itsura niya. And may mga konting paper clippings lang, just remove that. Madali lang naman tapon yan. Tapos ayan na. Next, ang kailangan natin buksan ay yung side. Tanggalin lang natin tong pack. Naka-tape dito, naka-scotch tape. And I'm gonna show you kung anong laman ito. Ito na, buksan natin. And dito nakalagay actually yung mga accessories dun sa figure. So ito yung clicker. Ito, labas natin yung clicker. Ayan, close up. May nakalagay pa na Primal Hatch. Okay, nawili ang bata. And then ito yung little piece of rubber meat na ipapakain natin sa T-Rex when it comes out of the egg.
Medyo tricky din i-remove yung packaging yan ha. So you might need some cutters para tanggalin siya. Pero madali lang naman din. So let's start with the first one. Ito, remove lang natin. Second one. And then the third one, once you've removed it out of the blister pack, ito na lang gagawin ninyo. You just have to twist it. And pakinggan nyo. Yes, may lalabas na siya na sound kapag tinanggal nyo yung peg dun sa loob. And then ito na. Buksan na natin yung actual egg, palabasin na natin yung baby dinosaur dito. Pero alam mo, just cute kasi nung lagay nung egg pero maganda yung design nito. So ayan na nga, ito yung harap. So sabi sa step 3 ng instruction manual, you just have to tap the egg para lumabas yung dinosaur. So ito na, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut and pakinggan nyo kung anong mangyayari.
No! Come up, come up, come up. Let's go, baby. Oh, cute. Let's go out.
Okay, so step 5 says na kailangan natin i-remove or hanapin yung egg or yung tail so within the egg. So we have to do that. And it's fun din dito kasi medyo slimy siya. Sorry. Let's go. Pero yun na nga, konti lang naman ng slime na nandyan sa egg na to. Just to make it more realistic, so to speak. Medyo ingat lang din kayo removing the egg and kasi maraming nagpa-pop up na cardboard. Yeah, it's made of cardboard. And medyo cute din yung dinosaur. Parang, alam mo yun, habang tinatanggal mo siya sa egg, pumapalag siya. Parang, get it out of stop, leave me alone, you bastard. Parang ganun yan. Pero ayun nga, ito, remove na natin yung slime and yung dino sa egg. Medyo mahirap lang siya. So, mommies and daddies, kung nanonood kayo nito, before you get this, ayun, kailangan nyo lang medyo maingat lang kayo. And syempre, you need another cutter for this part para i-remove. Then, dito yung battery, by the way. So, kung kailangan nyo ng palitan, ayun na yung area na you need a screw for that. Pero, when you buy it from the box, from the store, from Richwell, andyan na yung battery. So, wala na kayong problema. You can play it out, you can hatch it out, and then you can play with the thing already. So, so now na-remove na natin siya from the egg. Ito na yung egg. Put it aside muna natin. So, ayan na yung figure. Mag-stand naman siya kahit wala naman yung tail. Pero syempre, looks better with the tail. Madali lang din i-pop in yung tail ha. So i-follow nyo lang yung color pattern and ayan naman siya. Pa-pop in nyo lang yan and ayan na. Wala rin naman electronic parts dun sa tail, so it's just really an aesthetic and syempre para ma-complete mo yung look ng dinosaur. So let's go ahead and check out the other stuff dito. So for moms and dads, kung nanonood kayo nito, ito yung off button ng dinosaur. Kung medyo naingayan na kayo sa kanya, kay Silverio, pero ito nga yan, Silverio tawag ko sa unit ko. So ayan, pero buksan niya lang, on and off, ayan, madali lang siyang gawin. Tapos I'll show you the other stuff dito. As mentioned dun sa interaction manual, when you touch the tail, when you tug on the tail, magiging violent reaction. So yun, makikita nyo nag-red yung eyes ng dinosaur na yan. So yan, medyo cruel again, pero yeah. You can also try to pet it sa head niya, give it a head pat para maging ano, makikita nyo magiging green yung colors ng eyes niya, which is also nice. It means na happy siya. And then you can use the clicker to, you know, change the settings, change the setup ng mood ng T-Rex. You can also activate a couple of stuff. So, pwede siyang mag-dance. So, isa pang click, pwede rin siya magpalit ng mood. So, it can turn from red to green and then happy mode siya with a couple of growls. Nice happy growls. And then you can pet him. Ayan yung reaction niya kapag nag-pinet mo siya. Ayan. Good boy. Tapos hawakan mo ulit yung buntot, eto naman, magagalit na naman siya sa'yo. Don't be a dick, alright? Tapos pag narinig mo tong sound na to, it means it's dancing time! Now I'm gonna show you how to feed little T-Rex here. So ayan yung meat and just put it there sa bibig niya, and may biting action din siya, so very impressive tong toy na to. Ayan na. And happy siya pag pinakain mo siya. Cute. Ang ganda. With that said, guys, this is going to be the perfect holiday gift for your kids. Interactive play. It's a dinosaur and it's also under the Jurassic World banner. Ano pa bang hinihintay ninyo? Just visit your nearest toy store. Go to Shopee, go to Lazada and order this. Just look for the Primal Hatch. And I would like to thank my sponsor for this video, Richwell Prime, Richwell Group, for sending this over. And thanks guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.